ICT 19 June paper 32 spreadsheet. I think this exercise is short and simple. Let us start doing it. Task 3 spreadsheet. You are going to prepare a spreadsheet for super disk sales. This company makes and sells storage devices. The company will use a spreadsheet to compare some of the solid state drives that they sell. All prices are in euro. I think at the end of the exam, they will ask you to apply appropriate format, then make it currency, euro, 2 decimal places. Let us go to the source files. So the source files for 19 June paper 32. This is the source files. Open and examine the files ssd manufacturer.csv and ssd.csv in a spreadsheet. So I double click on that SSD manufacturer, select all, double click auto fit. Looks for me that this will be used for a VLOOKUP. This will be the table array for VLOOKUP. And ssd.csv, double click on this, select all, double click auto fit. Looks for me that this will be the main exercise file. In the file ssd.csv, okay, this is the main file. Now it is official that the ssd.csv, this is the one I'm going to edit. The other one will be kept unchanged. Insert 2 new rows at the top. So go to the far left, above the one, right click insert. Another time, right click insert. So you have 2 new rows at the top. Enter in cell A1 the text SDS price per gigabyte. In cell A1, go to cell A1 and type this using your keyboard. Merge cells A1 to G1. Highlight A1 to G1 and merge and center. Format the merged cell to have white on red background. So white on red background. White on a red background. 30 point. There is no 30, so I just type it. Serif. Serif means decorated, so that is Times New Roman. Format the text. I can see that the height of row 2 is reduced. Reduce the height of row 2. Format the text in row 3 to be red. So all that in row 3 to be red. 18. Sans serif. Calibri is sans serif. But if you prefer to make it Arial, it would be more accurate. Format the top of the spreadsheet to look like this. Just select to all, double click auto fit, reduce the height of row 2, and that's it. That's only 9 marks. Okay, very generous. Save this spreadsheet. So you need to save as Excel workbook because it is already a text file for now. .csv is a text file with the file name sds_sdd_center number _candidate number. So you need to file, save as, current folder, make it Excel workbook, give it that name. Place your name, center number, and candidate number center aligned in the header. So insert, header and footer, center aligned in the header, put your name, EG 0070001. Your name, center number, candidate number. Place the text created on left aligned in the footer. Go to footer, at the bottom left, put this text created on followed by an automated date. So a space and current date. Then automated time, another space and current time. If you like to see it working, click anywhere outside. So created it on 4/3/2022, 17:06. That was 2 marks. Let us exit the header and footer view. Click on that view and select normal. Click on that view and select normal. Okay. In cell C4, this is cell C4, manufacturer. Use a function to look up the manufacturer's name using the M code column for the lookup value and the external file SSD manufacturer, this one for the table array. Then it is VLOOKUP because the table array is a vertical table, a normal table. Very easy one. FX and VLOOKUP. The lookup value is the first code on the same line that is cell B4. Table array, you go to the other file, highlight everything except the titles. Column index number 2, because I need result from column number 2, range lookup false. Click OK, replicate. Yeah, excellent. That was worth 5 marks. In cell G4, this is cell G4. Use a formula to calculate the price per gigabyte. So the price per gigabyte. So I think it will be F4 divided by E4. Round this value. So I need function round. Round this value down. I need function round down. Round this value down. I need function round down to 2 decimal places. So before dividing, I search for the function round down. Fx, where is round down? I search for it. I search for it. Round down. This is round down. The number will be price divided by capacity in gigabytes. Yes, price per gigabyte. So the number will be price divided by price in gigabytes. And the number of digits, I need this rounded down to 2 decimal places. Okay. And replicate. Okay, replicate. Apply appropriate formatting to row 4 to 108. I think the only appropriate formatting I need to think of is currency, euros, 2 decimal place. This is price per gigabyte. This is price and this is price per gigabyte. So both of them are prices. Highlight all these. Do not highlight the capacity in gigabyte. Right click, format cell. Make them currency. Decimal places too. And look for the euro symbol. Yes, this is my favorite. Anyone will do, but I like to see that euro 123. I don't like 123 euro. I like to see that euro 123. Okay, fine. Save your spreadsheet. It's time to print. Print the entire spreadsheet showing the formulae. So you need to go to formulas, show formulas. Right afterwards, select all, double click, autofit. It is in landscape orientation, page layout orientation, landscape. Row and column headings are displayed. Print titles and tick row and column headings. The contents of all cells are fully visible. Yeah, that means select all, double click, autofit. Print out to make sure you have entered your name, center number, candidate number on your spreadsheet showing the formula. Let us go and print. So print into PDF and okay, print. So on the desktop, this is 19 June paper 32 and call this print out. Okay, let us have a look at the result. This should be the result. It is taken 8 pages. Doesn't matter. Taking 8 pages, it doesn't matter. Print the entire spreadsheet showing values. Okay, after printing formulas, exit the formula view, that is formulas, and close show formulas. Again, select all, double click, autofit. Print out fits on a single page wide and 2 pages tall. So the width has to be 1 page and the length has to be 2 pages under each other. The content of all cells are visible with no word split. I will keep it landscape. However, I like to remove row and column headings. They are never used with values. Row and column headings are essential with formulae to know which cell divided by what cell. So page layout, print titles, I will cancel this. Let us see how it will print. Let us see how it will print. Let us try. I need to make it width 1 and height 2 pages. It will be reduced to 60%. The exam wants it. Single page wide and 2 pages tall. So now it will print on 60% scale. Save and print. Yeah, now it's 2 pages tall. Or maybe I would rather make it again portrait. Let's see if this will fit better. I think portrait is better. Why? Now it will print on 73%. That means it will be clearer to see. The exam did not specify, that's why I can think of choosing. That is print out 3. Make sure you have entered your name, center number, candidate number. So again, print PDF, and that should be print out 3. Okay. Last thing, extract. Let us revise filters. When the exam says extract in a spreadsheet, then it is a filter. Extract only the drives made by something. They don't want to mention brand names. Or OZT that costs under 200 euros with more than 240 gigabytes of storage capacity. Okay, let us first put the filter. If you'd like to put a filter, highlight those titles and data, and this button is called filter. You see now arrows here that can be used to insert commands. Made by something or OZT. So manufacturer, click on that arrow. Remove that tick to unselect them all. Only tick OZT and something. See, only something and OZT are down. Cost under 200 euros, under, so it is smaller than. So the price number filter less than 200. You even have less products. With more than 240 giga of storage capacity, number filter greater than 240. Well, this is my list. Okay, 3 marks, 1 mark for each search command. Sort, let us do the sort. Sort the extract into ascending order of manufacturer, then ascending order of price. You need to sort them by 2 fields. We need to use this button. Click on that sort button. Yeah, cancel, remove the highlighting. Put the pointer here and remove the highlighting. And click on sort. Sort by ascending order of manufacturer. So sort by manufacturer and leave it A to Z. This is ascending. Then means add level. Add level. Then ascending order of price. Sort by price. And this is smallest to largest, which means ascending. And okay. Now data are manufacturer OZT first, and then something, and within the same manufacturer, prices are ascending. Prices are ascending. Okay, print the extract showing value, fits on a single page, contents are all visible. That will be print out for. And this is the end of this exercise. Worth 30 marks. Thank you very much.